stranger.
Nah.
Yeah, you did see.
I saw you.
You're gonna come.
Right now. Alright, we just got done with the TikTok.
Oh. It's on the paddle shift? Right. I've been trying to find a state trooper for a very long time. I need to ask this important question I've been trying to figure out. Is having a nitrous connected to in your car illegal? Well guys, I'm at a car meet at the moment. Got my coffee, you know, cars and coffee. Imagine you have all the, like, one choice to get whatever supercar you want. What do you get? A Ferrari with a V8, a Ferrari F12. Guy that comes up to you and says, I will give you any supercar you want, but you have to choose carefully because that's the only supercar you will ever live with. Which one would you actually get? Some of them already left. I came late, but there's some good cars out here. A Viper's here. They don't make those anymore. Yeah, the Lamborghini's still here, and Skyline is here. R33, I believe. Right over there. We're gonna go check them out right now. But first, we're gonna check out the supercars. There's Alan right there. I'm gonna get in his car and I'm gonna see what he says. Hold on. No, you did not. You didn't. It was just a random stranger.
Nah.
Yeah, you did see.
I saw you. You always have that. Like, you gotta go hunting right now.
Okay, give you that one. I should have not worn this jacket. I honestly didn't. I was gonna call you and say if you were gonna go, but you're always gonna tell me an excuse and say, no, I gotta go work.
I only came because he brought me here.
This man, you never get out your Lamborghini. This is like what? It's been a whole month.
Like 2 months.
2 months, right?
¿Cómo andas?
My baby over here neglected. I gotta go. I'm trying to get this Lamborghini on video right now as a rolling shot because I never get that car. Been knowing this man for a long time. Hey, what way did you go?
I came to the gas station.
Which gas station you went to? Is there
when
a
I got out, I turned right. Okay, let me send you my location.
All right. But yeah, you just want to go get a TikTok right now, like after. I got to do a couple of things, but then we'll start planning on doing a TikTok.
On that TikTok later.
Okay. He's gonna pay me coffee, so I'm cool with that. I mean, I already got coffee, but I'm addicted to the coffee. Look at the Shelby, bro. They got the Shelby. They got the James Bond car. They got the Coyote, one of the kings on the drag strip right now. If you see one of these and you're in a car, you better think twice. Alright guys, so I was going back to exclusive to go check out. We're gonna do the TikTok, but I see Alex behind me and Steven. Steven has the 900 plus horsepower HellCat with a big motor in there. I don't want to say what, but and Alex has Nitrous Corvette. Turn back. They did a pool. That's all that matters. Talking about my fast friends. I didn't think you guys were gonna come today. I mean, you told me you were gonna come, but I didn't know when you were gonna come. We'll see if he's here, because I don't think Freddy's here. Honestly, it's not even a good time to right now because the wind is so strong it even pushed my truck. And I was going like 50 miles per hour.
It wasn't too bad when we were coming up here.
Well, you guys have aerodynamic cars,
Yeah.
but it'll be better if it wasn't this bad.
Oh yeah, because we're just trying to get something set up.
Yeah. Even still trying to build the other truck.
I got it stripped down to the frame. The frame is sprayed right now and painted. We got everything stripped down off of it. Now we got the frame painted. Just gotta start putting stuff back together and start working on the motor.
So basically the truck is gonna be a drag truck. Push how much horsepower? Like 1,500? What? The truck?
We're not even chasing horsepower.
Yeah, the truck, how much?
Chasing ET times.
It'll be about 1,300 wheel.
You know, wheel should get us about what we're trying to get. It's gonna be nasty fast.
No, hell yeah. Well, Freddy's not here.
Because we were talking, it's been a couple of hours now since we talked about coming up this way. Because we had to put the new wheels on the Cat, and then we had to check tire pressure, all that stuff, make a test hit, and cruised up there. And I was trying to cruise sensible because race gas is expensive.
You're on race gas right now?
Yeah.
Not E85, no 85.
No, not with all that nitrous.
No. Oh, it moved my truck. Like, I was going 50 miles per hour and it moved my truck.
Yeah,
The winds are strong right now.
Hey, I'm down for whatever.
What?
it's a V6, that's why.
Boy, chill out. Y'all chill the f
I was
out.
thinking it. He said it. I was thinking
Whatever.
it.
I guess they'll come some other time.
Yeah, that's not my way.
Alright, I guess some other time. When it's not windy, because I care about your safety. You seen cars go real fast? They actually lift up. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. You got a heavy ass car. This man actually would though.
Nah, my aerodynamic. We fight the wind on two different fronts. He's beating it with weight, and I'm beating it with aerodynamic.
Here's my big red button. Yo, I didn't think it was a truck show. What's going on? What they tell you in the front?
No, it's $25 to park back here. Like I'm not
Yeah.
trying to hang out here.
No.
I wanted to see what it was, but it's
Yeah.
more like trucks and.
Yeah, it's nothing but trucks. I thought it was a car show. I mean, I fit in, but
No, but it's gonna be $25 to get in there, park back here.
I mean, if you stay, I'll stay.
All right, guys. Thank you. All right. Thanks. Oh, you're going in?
No, I'm not. I mean, if you guys are leaving, I'm leaving.
Here. I mean, we can park. We can park in the street and go in there.
Yeah,
but
I'll park in the street. No, I ain't.
let me see if Alex is gonna hang out. You gonna hang out here?
Yeah, I mean,
I
if
said
you
you
guys
gonna hang out here?
yeah.
I'll walk through for a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna hang out.
I mean, we already chilled. We already got here. Alex trying to be a vlogger now. Colorado, sir. Not Colorado. Colorado. So not Colorado.
That's a color, whatever.
It's Colorado. Lambo coming. He's fast. Oh yeah, he's fast. Damn. Will you race this one?
No.
Got racing seats. Got the roll bar. Got nitrous in this thing, I believe. Honestly, I don't know what the that is. It looks like a nitrous bottle, but it doesn't look like a nitrous bottle.
You got big ass tires.
Hey,
We're all about that support.
sorry to interrupt,
Yeah.
but I've been trying to find a state trooper for a very long time. I need to ask this important question I've been trying to figure out. Is having a nitrous connected to in your car illegal?
I don't know.
Oh, this is the only question I've been trying to find out, because
Why would it be illegal?
I don't know. I googled it, it says it is, but you're a state trooper, so
I don't enforce nitrous.
it's because we're in Texas, right?
Yeah,
I mean, I'm
nitrous
not
oxide's
gonna-
not illegal in
I'm
Texas.
not going to
No.
pull you over
No.
and be like, you got
Oh.
nitrous on
Yeah,
your
no,
car?
nitrous oxide is not illegal in Texas. I grew up here, man. I've been
No, I-
street racing
yeah.
before, Fast and
It's
Furious.
because I barely
and all
started.
that.
Like somebody,
Yeah.
like
Nitrous
I put
oxide
nitrous
is
in
not
my
illegal.
truck, not
Racing is
knowing.
illegal.
You're right, 100% it is.
I mean, in Mexico it's
don't
not.
put nitrous in your car and don't race and you don't
right?
have no problem.
Yeah.
Pretty much. That's why I
There's
take
a
it
place
to
for
the
it,
drag
you know?
strip. This
Yeah,
is
the strip,
drag
man.
strip. Yeah.
You got to take it.
I'm
where it's
professional
safe.
about it.
Yeah, you have to be smart about it, man.
Yeah.
That's the
Every
best
time.
thing.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I grew up doing it all, man. Seriously, all the underground racing. What got it was people having too much horsepower, and then hitting 2 or 3 of us. We would all be standing on the side of the street,
Oh, yeah.
1,000 deep on each side, watching people. They lose control and hit. You know, and poor people's kids, their families, and shit would die from it and stuff. You know, it got a little bit out of control or whatever. You know, they hated on us having a good time, but we were having good, clean fun.
Yeah.
Man, we were old school, bro. Before Fast and Furious, Rankin Road, Beltway over here at
Munching up the edge
was the race parks at Beltway, like Tanner Road.
It's because nowadays cars just got real fast now.
It did, man, but a lot of this stuff has to do with the people get out of control and kill innocent people, and then their families are connected. You know how it is. You know, it's Houston, man, 713.
Nowadays.
And then, you know, their families start bringing word to what we're all doing and stuff. And that's why they shut down. And then, don't get me wrong, a lot of the young kids will come to the parking lot meet every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, as we have them every damn night of the week almost. They start doing burnouts and stuff, and it's a private parking lot. Imagine me and you worked all our life to build a business, right? You blacktop it, put the lines in, all that. All your lines are f***ed up, you know what I mean? There's a place and time for it, you know, where you can do
There's
it
actually
at.
a guy that's creating a certain place for everybody, building literally parking like a Disney World for cars.
That would be amazing,
And
man.
he's actually pushing
Because
forward
it's
for
a
it.
lifestyle. You know, Houston has the largest underground racing scene, larger than
Yeah,
anybody.
'cause it's known for Texas 2K.
Bro, coming, you know, we already know.
Yeah, this
You
is
know
the
what I
last
mean?
one.
As you were referring to the nitrous oxide is not illegal here. You know what I mean? Even
Racing
if you're
is legal in Mexico.
not in Mexico, you know it. That's how we do it.
Spot die.
Yeah.
Love your jacket, man.
Oh, I appreciate it, man.
They're real jackets.
That's it. They are real jagged.
They actually keep me warm. Yeah, it's cold. Hurry up. Pound it. I'll see y'all later.
Oh wait, have fun.
Nah. There's a specific person that if he watches this video, he knows what's up. That's why we do that joke nowadays. My line right there, I can finally expose it. That line right there connects to the nitrous. He's on a 150 shot V6 making 350 stock internals with 570 pounds of torque. That explains the radios in the back. Alex and Steven have radios, so we have a crew in a way. We're buddies with radios. All right, guys, we're going back to Conroe, and we're gonna start recording a video for my friend Alan. If you guys want to know everybody's Instagram, they'll be on the description below. Alright.
Ready?
You want to do it on the phone or on the camera?
The phone, man.
Okay, you want to simple? And looking all bougie. We're going to Chick-fil-A first because I'm starving. Let's go.
Oh, scrape, scrape.
What the hell? You get this a lot?
Hell no.
What the f is wrong with this guy?
Annoying.
Just honking the stupid horn at us, like literally got it right next to us.
It's a little 5.7 Hemi, man.
This is the first time you ever went to that?
Yeah.
Damn.
You can wait on the downshift.
Yeah.
Downshift is better than
Yeah, it has manual, but you love the downshift.
I love the downshift.
Why?
Sounds nice.
Get that G-Wagon.
What do you do with this little ass mirror?
I don't. You've been having this car. Why are you asking?
I
me?
never even seen it. It's a little ass sun visor too. Sounds alright. Sounds alright.
If you ain't gonna do a pull, at least downshift. When the cops see you, they won't cheer. You drop a gear and disappear.
You're hooking me up with some TikTok.
You know, with the TikToks, we're gonna go to the shop and get some B-rolls. Like before we going inside the. Oh. I never drove in a Lambo. I drove in the F12. Damn. Damn. This car's pretty awesome. Change the V6 computer to a V8 computer.
I understand that your computer's programmed to be in a 6-cylinder, right? Now if you're swapping a V8, that means you got 2 more injectors, you know?
I'm gonna scare Alex right now. Steal his GoPro. You know, just makes up. Yeah. He's gonna go. Say it again.
Of course he is.
That's what the fucking question.
I mean, I did see it when I pulled up, but I ain't pulled it.
He mad.
Who did what? Somebody stole my GoPro.